Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to check the graphic cards for the Windows 11 operating system. So there are different ways to check it. So let's start. First we'll go to start and search for task manager. So open the task manager, and here we have to go to performance, and here we have one option that is GPU 0. So select this, and at the bottom of center you can see the version, the date, and the main graphics, the main graphic cards detail. Also there are other way for that. Press Windows R and here search DXDIAG and click on OK. Now you will get this window. So you will get this direct diagnostic tool window, and here we have to go to the display option, and here you can see the name of graphics, the manufacturer, the chip type, tag type, device type. So these all details you can check from the here. So in this way you can check the graphic cards for the Windows 11.